This is Nick from Trim-Lok, and I'd like to show you Trim-Lok's family of all-in-one slide-out seal solutions that are available for both the RV and specialty vehicle market. The all-in-one family of slide-out seal parts consists of both flush floor and above floor bottom pans and wear bars, as well as room opening wipe seals. What's unique about the all-in-one parts from Trim-Lok is our ability to integrate multiple parts into minimal parts. For example, this is our flush floor bottom pan and wear bar. In certain applications, this could be done with as many as 5 or 6 different parts, and Trim-Lok has found a way to integrate these into 2 simple to install parts. The bottom pan consists of the pan, the water gutter, a bottom wipe, and a mud flap, as well as a nailing surface. The wear bar is one single piece, mounted to the floor of the unit. One piece just slides into the other. And that's how simple it is to install this entire flush floor sealing system. Partnered with that is our all-in-one slide-out wipe. It's a single-in, single-out wipe seal with an integrated bulb with an additional sealing fin on the bulb itself. These parts are available with different sized bulbs, 3 different sized wipe seals as well, and have a 3M tape and a locate leg on the back side of the part to help speed up your installation. Bottom pans are available for in-wall slide-outs as well, integrating what would be multiple parts into one. This is your bottom pan, your seal bulb, your wipe seal, and your trough. Bottom pans are available for above floor, main floor slide-outs as well. Just as with the flush floor parts, this one consists of your mud flap, your floor wipe, your trough, and your bottom pan. This particular piece also features a dust flap on the back to keep debris from ending up underneath your slide-out floor and getting caught in your roller. So here you can see what a completed installation of our all-in-one slide-out seal parts actually looks like. A unique feature of Trim-Lok's all-in-one slide-out seal is the ability to install the seal with no gaps in the corners. A cutting tool available from Trim-Lok is the only thing that you need to make a cut through the wipe and through the backer and complete this patented installation method that allows you to turn the seal 90 degrees, leaving no gaps in the corners. For more information on these parts and anything else Trim-Lok, please visit us online at trimlok.com.